Hi traders, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be taking a look at Tastyworks. Be sure to like, subscribe and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. Tastyworks is an American stockbroker that was launched in 2017. In 2011, tastytrade was launched prior to Tastyworks as a trading content platform that provides trading ideas, research studies, and real-time trades that you can follow. Today, Tastyworks offers multiple accounts, ranging from individual and joint trading accounts to retirement accounts and trusts. You can trade a variety of cryptocurrencies, commodities, stocks, indices, options, and futures on the Tastyworks platform, and no minimum deposit is initially required to open an account with them. Tastyworks offers a user-friendly website, and you can use the menu bar to find out more about the accounts you can open with them, the instruments you can trade, and the platforms and tools they offer. As you scroll down the homepage, you will see information about their latest promotions, along with links to their platforms and tools, pricing, instruments offered, and the company's history. If you scroll all the way down to the bottom of the homepage, you will find menus that you can use to jump to different sections of the website, and you will find their contact details, disclaimers, and company information here. Tastyworks offers a diverse range of cryptocurrencies, commodities, stocks, indices, options, futures, and ETFs. As a client, you can trade crypto with low commission fees, and there are more than 20 available cryptocurrencies on the Tastyworks platform. You will also be able to add dozens of metals, minerals, grains, food, energy, and raw materials to your portfolio and trade in commission-free stocks. To view their contact details, scroll down to the bottom of the homepage and click on the Contact Us button. The Tastyworks customer support team can be reached telephonically and via live chat, and we recommend visiting the Help Center to see if your questions have already been answered. You will also be able to reach their representatives on social media platforms such as YouTube, LinkedIn, Twitter, and Facebook. Tastyworks offers an incredible referral program where you can either redeem credits for amazing rewards or request for the cash value to be deposited into your account. Some of these rewards include 2 referral credits, which can be redeemed for a Google Home device or a cash value of $150. 5 referral credits can be redeemed for a Chicago food package or a cash value of $500. 10 referral credits will get you 1 year of high-speed internet access or a cash reward of $1,000. 20 referral credits can be redeemed for a trip for 2 to Chicago or $2,000 in cash. 50 referral credits can be redeemed for an Apple package consisting of a MacBook Pro, an iPad, an iPhone, and an Apple Watch, or $5,000 in cash. And 750 referral credits can be redeemed for a Tesla Model S or a cash value of $50,000. Once you have created an account, you will be able to use the proprietary Tastyworks platform. This platform comes with plenty of built-in analysis tools, and you can use it to create custom watch lists of your favorite instruments. You can easily set up your trades for entry with the click and drag curve analysis tool, and cancel, replace, or duplicate your trades with just one click. The application also has a dedicated feed with trading insights and live stream videos to help you stay on track and keep you inspired. The Tastyworks application can be downloaded on desktops, mobile devices, or it can be used as a web trader. Tastyworks offers several flexible accounts. You can open an individual trading account, a joint trading account, one of many retirement accounts, a corporate account, or a trust account. They also offer an account package for active retail traders called The Works. And this is an individual margin account that can be used to trade stocks, commodities, options, indices, cryptocurrencies, and futures. With this account, you can use any options trading strategy offered on the Tastyworks platform, and you can apply for an account in under 5 minutes. You can also use the individual account as a cash account. However, this type of account cannot be used for margin trading. If you'll be trading with a friend, family member, or business partner, you could open a joint account. The joint account can either be margin or cash accounts, and you can choose what type of ownership and rights the account will have. Tastyworks offers several retirement accounts, and as a client, you will have flexible options when saving money for the future, and you can also open a trust account with them. They also offer corporate accounts, and you can open C Corp, S Corp, LLC, and partnership accounts. In the future, you will be able to open custodial accounts on behalf of minors and beneficiaries. They will also offer savings accounts for educational purposes. Creating an account with Tastyworks may take up to 24 hours. However, the account creation process is simple and straightforward. Firstly, launch the Tastyworks homepage, and then click on the Open an Account button. Next, you'll want to complete the online application form. Then verify your account and email address. You can then log in to the client portal, and once your account is set up and approved, you can simply fund your account and start trading. If you have any questions about opening and managing your account, using the platforms and tools, making deposits, withdrawals and transfers, or you would like to know more about trading, buying power, and using margin, head over to the Help Center or press on the live chat button in the bottom right corner of the screen to speak to the support team. Once you've opened an account and downloaded the Tastyworks application, you will have access to plenty of videos on trading strategies and concepts, research techniques, market movements, and more. You can also choose and follow your favorite traders to see what they're up to and which instruments they are trading. For more in-depth trading guides and courses for beginners, we would recommend checking out the tastytrade website, where you will find plenty of educational resources, podcasts, webinars, live streams, and more. You will also find detailed guides here about the different trading strategies you can use and the trading terminology you should know about and understand. Tastyworks does not currently offer demo accounts. However, you can open an account and explore the platform without depositing any money, and they provide trading courses for beginners. So for the most part, Tastyworks is a beginner-friendly broker. Overall, Tastyworks is one of our top-rated, low-risk brokers for trading American stocks, and their referral program is by far one of the most unique and most rewarding programs in the market. There are many perks to trading with Tastyworks, but what we like most about them is the tastytrade content channel, and the fact you can trade commission-free stocks and no minimum deposit is required to open an account with them. If you are interested, be sure to open your Tastyworks account today and bring a few friends along with you to claim your referral credits. And that is our overview of Tastyworks. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.